Why, yes. Yes, I am.
Fuck.
So, Allie, what are you doing?
Eating a pixie stick without using my hands.
Why?
It's a dare.
Oh, I see. Eat the whole thing. Eat it up. Eat it. Eat that shit up. You're like making out with the pixie stick.
No.
You're like making the noises too. Like,
I'm trying to bite it off. I have a cramp in my foot.
well then, just put the whole.
You still gotta eat it?
So, Allie, what did you just do?
I broke it.
There's nothing else in it.
Alright.
Lick it off your feet. Lick it off your feet.